Hello everyone, so today is Wednesday and we're back in Copenhagen from our trip to Paris and Barcelona, and my parents and sister are here for another 3 days, 2 days more. They leave on Friday afternoon and then I still have the weekend, and then I'm back to work and back in the office on Monday. So it was a busy vacation, but we're relaxing now, and it's actually really nice in Copenhagen today. It's sunny. Tomorrow it will be a little rainy, so we'll do all the indoor stuff tomorrow because we should get the most of the sun now while we have it and then relax more. But I'll show you guys around later. See you. I'll show you guys the toilets later. I'm gonna show you the later where the furniture is. Good morning, everyone. Actually, it's afternoon now, so good afternoon, everyone. I am here working from home today, and I'm on the bench, meaning that I don't have any project work right now for 80% of my time, so I'm quite available in terms of my work day. So I just do what I can for my client that I work for 20%, and then beyond that I just do some internal work, some trainings. But right now I'm working from home because it's quite a chilled week, so that's why I'm wearing this. But I thought I would show you around my new apartment in today's video because I moved apartments and then I went on a trip to Barcelona and Paris. Well, Paris then Barcelona with my family, so it has been a super hectic month, but nonetheless, I wanted to show you guys my new flat and basically take you around. So this is the door when you enter, this is our exit, and here is a coat rack and a mirror when you enter. And then right away, you see a door to our bathroom. So that's what it looks like. But when you walk in, it's a Danish shower, so it's quite open, meaning that the entire floor gets wet when you take a shower, and we move this every time we take a shower. So here we have our beautiful bathroom with a rain shower, and I'll just do 0.5 so you guys can see the whole bathroom in one. But yes, we never were able to install a curtain rod, so that's the curtain. Then the toilet, and then some toiletries. So we have our toiletries there. This one's mine and this one's my roommate's. Hello, hello. I'm actually obsessed with how well lit it is. So this right away is where we keep our shoes at the entrance. They all go in here because the flat, as you will see, is not super large. We then have coats over here and a pole that's right there. This is my desk. And there's some storage right over here. So I'll just quickly show you guys around. That's my desk. And right now there's snacks because my family was here. So you enter and it looks like this. So here's our beautiful living room, which gets a lot of light. That can be super good since it's dark in Denmark most days. So getting a lot of light is great. However, it also gets quite steamy and there's no air conditioning. So I think I will have to get a fan come summertime. So yes, that is that. It's super cutely decorated. All the furniture was actually my roommate's. So that is my roommate's or the girl that I'm renting from. So Then we have this super cute dining area. And then if I move over, then it's my my roommate's desk area with my gaming chair that says Legend on it. We only keep the chair there and not over here because even though this is my desk, the chair is just super bulky. We have these beautiful candle holders. I love the windows here. I love how this matches this, which will be hung up at some point. And it also matches the black light in here. So that is just gorgeous. But if we move on, we have a beautiful kitchen that was, so the best thing about this apartment is that the kitchen and bathroom are newish. I think they were renovated before we moved in, so washer, dryer. We have so many different ways to make coffee over here, and actually many of them are put away right now. So this is the kitchen. We have a washing machine here, nothing interesting, and it's going, so I shouldn't open it. Trash goes down here, so that's how we keep our recycling. We keep our cans and bottles there, and then we keep trash in there. And then here are pots and pans and cutlery. Not super interesting. Our plates and cups are in here. And then I just cleaned this today so I can show you, but I have my sauces and all my foods right there, and some coffees as well. There's not a lot of storage space here compared to my last apartment. However, I have also this one full of random stuff, that some cereal, coffee that my family brought me when they came from America, some random stuff from here, coffee backups, always need coffee. And we have some spices and stuff that we cook with, the oven, of course. I'm making some coffee right now. And then we have our fridge. It's not gross, but it's just not organized right now. And then I can't even open it. There's the freezer in there. And my roommate's food is in this one and this one. And what else? Oh yeah, I wanted to show you guys all the coffee we have. We have like this one. I have another Vietnamese French press. I have this huge French press. And then of course we have the Nespresso, a milk frother, coffee grinder, cute little coffee stand. I'm looking for a home for this guy. I think I might have to put it up on the shelf up there. And then here's super cute is the balcony. Oh, how cute is that? To the bedroom. That is my friend's bedroom. This is mine. I am renting it, so all of the furniture again doesn't belong to me, but belongs to the girl that I'm renting from. Basically, I brought my suitcase and clothes and my bed sheets. That was about it. And then some towels, and so I have some snacks up here that my family brought me. And so I've got two massive dressers, and that's where all of my stuff is kept. There's also storage under this bed. There's storage here. And I try to be minimalistic, so hopefully luckily I didn't really need more than that. Super cozy. I'm very, very happy with this space. And like, she left behind some little knickknacks that I thought were very cute by the bedside table, so I kept them out. And I have a laptop stand there because sometimes at night my boyfriend and I watch shows from my bed. So we're watching Netflix from that. And then of course I have a little mirror, which I kind of have to like duck down to use because I haven't like put it against the wall yet. So yeah, that is my apartment space. I'm really, really obsessed with it. It's a beautiful, beautiful space. I'm so happy that I moved here. The downsides are that it is it requires a lot of activity because I'm on the top floor and there are no elevators here. So my butt is getting juicy and big because I'm walking up these stairs every day to the top floor, and it is very worth it though because the view is amazing, the light is amazing, the balcony. And yeah, I'm glad I could show you guys around. That being said, I have more exciting videos to come. I'm not sure whether or not I'll post this before or after the Paris and Barcelona vlog with my family. I'm also not sure whether or not I'll post something from Hamburg, which I'm going to this weekend. But yeah, life has been quite busy in February, March, and April, and now I finally feel like things are calming down and hopefully I can produce better content for you guys. See you guys soon. Take care.